Hey, hello. This is my first video. I'm so excited to start my YouTube journey. So in this video, mainly I want to discuss about some of the stocks, maybe for the short-term opportunity. So just a disclaimer, I'm creating this for my general purpose only. So yeah, if you want to follow better, you please do your homework or consult your financial advisor. Okay, so coming back to the video, so this stocks I call it as Garud stocks because so this can be a short-term opportunity. This can be either 3 to 6 months or 6 months to 1 year opportunity here. So let us dive into our video. So in the list, first stock is Mahanagar Gas Limited, so MGL. So if you see here, this is a weekly chart. So I took the screenshot. So and from in weekly chart, it is forming a proper cup and handle. So in if you observe, so the volume also is keep decreasing. Okay, so this is one spike here, which is it is a green candle. So the volume, see the volume. So and the sideways volume is actually decreasing. That means there is retail participation here. Okay, so in my understanding, there is a high probability this will go high from here. This is one of the stock actually we need to keep in the watch list, and we can take the small position as well. And coming to second stock, this is Container Corp. Again, this is a daily chart. So in daily chart, normally, in a weekly chart, generally I expect somewhere around 50 to 100% returns, but in daily chart max I expect 10%. So if you see, this one also is forming cup and handle, if you see, which I draw here. So in this, actually the handle, when price is decreasing, the volume also decreasing, which is a positive sign. So this is actually the major players are not involved in this downward action. So we can keep it in the watch list as well. Okay, and the third stock is Adani Enterprise, so which forms the same scenario. I know this is, yeah, pretty volatile now, uh, but actually this is also, if you observe, it's a daily chart. So we can, from here actually we can have like 10 to 20% up move here. This is my understanding. So that's why actually even it is properly taking support from the wicks here. See, so from wicks actually it is taking support here. So this is came down just to cover the gap between the day candles, and then it properly formed the cup and handle here. Even if you can observe, the volume was decreasing here. Okay, and now I can see the major volume coming in. So that's why I'm taking the position here. And the other stock is Jamna Auto. So Jamna Auto, this is pretty interesting. This is also cup and handle, if you observe this one. So but this is a monthly chart. So generally monthly chart cup and handle will be, the trade will be around 1 year, 1 year to 2 years. So from here actually, if you measure the depth of the cup, so you can see the target here, which is like 470. So currently the price is 101, so we may get like 4 times from here. So generally it takes like 1 to 1.5 year or 2 years, definitely. So the same characteristics, cup, handle, and volume also keep reducing here while it was forming the handle. Okay, and the the next stock is Deepak Fertilizers. Deepak Fertilizers is actually forming VCP pattern, so which is like a volume contraction pattern, so which is derived from Mark Minervini. So yeah, US trader. So you can go through with what is VCP by your own. So generally, so the volumes are contracting between, this is monthly candles. So from 2018 actually, sorry. So 2018 until 2021 mid. So it formed a cup. After that, it was forming like a small small cups. So here actually the volume was contracting here. Finally it made a handle here. So and then you can see so the low volumes here, and then now the volumes are increasing, which is a positive candle. So green candle and positive volume, which is a good sign, so we can keep in the watch list here. So and also, so this is clearly near the support, so which is like a breakout point here. So this is clearly in the support region. So this also you can measure the targets based on the cup depth. So what is the depth you can form here? So for example, maybe I'll show quickly. One sec. So if we go to trading view, one sec. So if you go to trading view, actually maybe Jamnato, you can go here, and then you can actually see, you know, from here you can see the price range here. So price range from here we can actually see the depth of that, and from there if you actually move the price, so you can actually one sec. So see, you can actually get the target price here. So overall it is giving like 4x, so it is better to keep in the watch list. Okay, for now we'll go to the next one. So the fertilizers, which I showed like in the Jamna Auto, so you can similarly do your homework to get the target price from here, and then you can keep adding in a smaller quantities. So which I do generally, yeah. And then the next one. So the next one is Dwarakesh sugar. Generally, sugars are like cyclical stocks, so we should be very careful about the cyclical stocks. So those are having like very small capital, and you don't have like if you don't have a risk appetite more, or if you are like a conservative trader, so better keep away from these kind of stocks. So generally, the same way the volume contraction pattern happened and the handle formed properly, and the similar way I can see the volumes were decreasing. So this is the right place actually. We can take some initial position and keep adding while it goes. Yeah. So that's what I do. Okay. And then finally, thank you so much. So this is what I want to share in my first video. So if you want to, listen these similar videos, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, please give some comments, which I can improve later. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.